Hi everyone, it's your guest Tima's Food and Confectionery. If you are just joining us for the first time, you are welcome. So in today's recipe, we are making a smoothie with just only three things. We have tiger nuts, we have dates. So this is a dry one. I've soaked it with water, and we have banana. So let's get started. I'm going to pour in everything here and blend. So firstly, I'm going to add the tiger nut. So and we are dividing it into two batches. So we're going to divide this into two batches. So I'm going to add some dates here as well. So with the water and two banana. So I'm going to add two banana in this first batch. So I'm going to add water, water and blend. So we are done with the first batch. So look at my cotton clothes. I'm going to pour in inside my cotton clothes. So let me pour the second batch. So I also add dates and the remaining banana. I'm also going to add water as well. So we blend. So the second batch is ready. So I'm going to pour it into our cotton cloth. So we are going to so we're trying to bring out the tiger nut milk on it. You have to squeeze it. That's the way I'm doing it. Until all the milk is out. So, so look at our filtered the tiger nut drink. So I'm going to bottle it now and show you guys. See how thick it is. Wow. And it's very sweet. Healthy. So, did you see? It's very thick. Ah, ah, it's sweet. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Bye bye for now.